Start with 2x plus y equal to 18. Put x equal to 0 to get y equal to 18. We get the point 0, 18. Similarly, put y equal to 0 to get x equal to 9. We get the point 9, 0. To graph the inequality, we test using a sample point 0, 0, which satisfies the inequality. 3x plus 2y equal to 34. Put x equal to 0 to get y equal to 17. We get the point 0, 17. To avoid fractions, we do not use y equal to 0. Instead, we put y equal to 2 to get x equal to 10 and the point 10, 2. Use a sample point to test the inequality. Use both the inequalities in a single graph. Apply the non-negative constraints x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Label the corner points O, A, B and C. Clearly, O, A and C can be found from the graph. We used the points. B is the intersection of the lines 2x plus y equal to 18 and 3x plus 2y equal to 34. We will use the elimination method to solve the two equations. To eliminate y, multiply the first equation with 2 and the second equation with 1, then subtract. Get x equal to 2, substitute this in either of the equations to get y. So we get the point 2, 14 for B. We know the coordinates of the corner points. Evaluate the objective function z at the points. At O, z equal to 0. At A, z equal to 510. At B, z equal to 520. And at C, z equal to 450. Maximum value of z is 520 at B 2, 14.